Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a coin wrapping machine works step by step. First, coins are loaded into the machine through the hopper or feed tray. The operator pours mixed or pre-sorted coins into the top section so the machine can begin the wrapping process. Next, the machine starts counting the coins automatically. It checks how many coins are being processed and prepares them for the selected wrapping operation. After that, the operator selects the coin type from the control panel. This is important because different coins need different wrapper sizes and different roll values. Then, the machine guides the coins into the correct tube. In this stage, the coins are stacked neatly one over another inside the coin tube, so the roll can be formed properly. Meanwhile, a paper wrapper is placed around the stacked coins. The wrapper section positions the paper correctly, so the coins can be packed tightly and neatly. Afterward, the roll is formed. The machine fills the wrapper with the correct number of coins and shapes it into a proper coin roll. Then, the ends of the wrapper are sealed. The machine folds or crimps both ends securely so the coins stay inside the roll without falling out. Next, the finished roll comes out through the output tray. At this point, the wrapped coin roll is complete and ready to be collected by the operator. Moreover, a coin wrapping machine is very useful because it counts coins accurately, wraps coins into neat rolls, saves time in cash handling, and prepares coins for storage or bank deposit. Finally, after wrapping is complete, the operator can check the total number of rolls made, collect the wrapped coins from the tray, and then store them or deposit them at the bank. In this way, the machine makes coin handling faster, easier, and more organized. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.